Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Let's Learn English with Anna and Mark.
Hello, everyone. I'm happy to be here again.
I'm happy too. How are you today, Mark?
I'm good, thank you. How about you, Anna?
I'm great. Today, we will learn about family, jobs, and time.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, these are words we use every day in real life. Let's start with family. Family is very important in our lives.
Yes, I love my family.
Me too. Let's learn some simple family words. Repeat after me. Father,
Father,
mother,
mother,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister,
son,
son,
daughter.
daughter.
Very good. Now, let's make short sentences. My father is kind.
My mother is sweet.
I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
My son is 10 years old.
My daughter likes apples.
Great job. Now, dear listener, repeat after us. My father.
My mother.
My family.
I love my family.
Excellent. You're doing great. Now let's talk about jobs. What people do for work.
Okay, like teacher, doctor, driver.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Teacher,
Teacher,
doctor,
doctor,
driver,
driver,
nurse,
nurse,
cook,
cook,
student.
student.
Great. Now let's use these words in short sentences. I am a teacher.
I am a driver.
She is a nurse.
He is a cook.
You are a student.
We are workers.
Wonderful. Now let's practice small questions. What do you do?
I am a driver. What do you do, Anna?
I am a teacher. That's great. Listeners, try to say your job now. I am a pause.
Good job, everyone.
Now let's learn how to tell time in English.
Oh, that's useful. We need time every day.
Yes. First, let's learn some easy phrases. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock.
Good. Repeat after me. It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's 3 o'clock.
Excellent. Let's go a bit more. It's 6:30.
It's 6:30.
It's 9:15.
It's 9:15.
It's 10:30.
It's 10:30.
It's 7:45.
It's 7:45.
Perfect. Now let's use time in sentences. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I go to work at 8 o'clock.
I eat lunch at 1 o'clock.
I come home at 6 o'clock.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
I sleep at 11 o'clock.
Great work! Listeners, repeat your day using time. I wake up at pause. I go to work at pause.
Very nice. Practice this every day.
Okay, Mark, let's review what we learned today.
Yes. Family, jobs, and time.
That's right. Let's start with family words.
Father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter.
Perfect. Now, jobs.
Teacher, doctor, driver, nurse, cook, student.
Excellent. Now, time. What time is it?
It's 7 o'clock. It's 10:30.
Wonderful. You are learning fast.
Thank you, Anna. Your lessons make learning easy.
Thank you. Dear listeners, remember, small steps every day make big progress.
Yes, practice a little every day.
Great job, everyone. You learned so much today.
Yes, family, jobs, and time, all in one episode.
Next time, we'll learn about places and directions.
That sounds fun.
Thank you for listening to Let's Learn English with Anna and Mark.
Thank you, friends. Keep learning and don't give up.
Bye-bye!